These two simple tricks can save you hours of work in Excel. Number 1. AutoSum function. Need a quick way to total your numbers in Excel? Let me show you how to use the AutoSum function in just a few seconds. Here, we have 3 tables. We want to calculate the total sales for each salesperson, department, and employee. Simply select the first empty cell under Total Sales and press Alt plus equals key. Excel automatically selects the numbers above. Press Enter and boom, the total appears instantly. Repeat the same process for all, or drag the formula like this. Number 2. Flash fill trick. Want to split names in Excel without formulas? Flash fill does it in seconds. Let me show you how. We have a list of full names and we need to extract first and last names. Start by typing the first name manually in the next column. For example, type John for John Smith. Now press Ctrl plus E. Excel magically fills in the rest. Let's do the same for last names. Type Smith next to John, then press Ctrl plus E. If this trick saved you time, like, follow, and share for more quick Excel tips.